Carpe Zeus. Dave Krebs took me hunting in Montague County, Texas. We'd spied our first hog and were driving around the road to the other side of the property when a sounder of hogs ran in front of us. And so our first kill of the evening, even before we got the rifles out, was a vehicular kill. And this was the first hog we were trying to get to. It was a large boar in an area of the field that has been rooted quite a bit recently. And they're the cattle that we wanted to avoid. Dave's using a Sig Sauer Echo 1 on his rifle at this point. I'm using an Armasight Zeus thermal sight. Here you can see the light areas of the field are where it's been extensively rooted. Some of the ruts are in excess of a foot deep.
Nice shot. Okay, keep down.
5 shots and 5 hits brought down this 200-pound boar. 1 shot through the mouth bisected the tongue, which you saw fly off in the video. We're now at a new location. We've made a very long trek across a huge field. We've got hogs amongst the cattle. We're trying to move to the north, where there's some hogs that aren't intermixed with the cattle. And right now there's 2 hogs right back here that are blocking our way. Eventually they move out of the way and we're able to proceed further north. We're now out in the open with a few of the hogs. And that is the northernmost cow. And so anything that we shoot, as long as we're north of that, we should be fine.
Okay, which one are you gonna take?
So my hog is going to be this white hog. It's been in the pond, and so it's cooled off quite a bit. That's why it looks white. We both shoot. Dave's hog goes down. Mine runs off into the woods.
I'm on safe.
Dave's hog turned out to be a nice little sow. And while I did hit my hog, it managed to get away and we did not recover it. While looking for it, a deputy from the Montague County Sheriff's Office stopped by to check on us. Later we were wrapping things up, checking our last field, when Dave spotted hogs in a field where he'd never seen hogs before. So we got out and made our approach on them. We realized that because of the wind, we would not be able to get to the rest of the hogs without getting past this one hog. So this became our primary target. The hog disappeared behind the brush here, and we decided to wait it out. I'm standing further to the left, and so I have a better view of the hog than Dave does, so Dave's going to make the call when we take the shot. And here it comes. Two shots, 2 hits, and the sow goes down. The shot seemed to confuse the rest of the hogs, and we were able to make an approach on additional hogs that had actually run towards us. Seems like just about everywhere we looked, there were hogs. And they just kept
The
appearing.
one further out to the right. I'm sorry, to the left.
That's the one you shot. That's yours.
Oh, he's running now.
Oh, fuck, where'd he go?
He disappeared in the grass when he ran. There he is.
Another one. Oh, there's another one.
You take the second one?
That one?
Well,
I'm out. Oh, one over here on the left. Over here on the left.
While I have no doubt that more hogs are down, these are the hogs that we managed to recover in the high grass and the briars. Carpe Zeus, my friends.